Hey guys, Ella here from Zeek Analytics. In this video, I'm going to show you what it means to have a great title. So I was in eBay and I found this product. The title for this product is New Oversized Rimless Luxury Sunglasses, Gradient Lens, Vintage Woman Fashion 2019. Here you can see that the price says $6.99, which I later came on to see that it's just the case that's $6.99. The rest of the sunglasses cost $13.99, and it doesn't matter what color you choose, they are all the same price. The shipping for this product is free. So what I did next, I went into Zeek Analytics and I actually searched the seller. You can see by the stats that it's a good seller, so I went and scrolled down to the product list to see what else he has. The item I found on eBay is third on his list, and you can tell that he has 44 sales in the last 30 days and lifetime sales 113. The price here says $6.99, but then we came to figure out that it was just the case for the sunglasses that was $6.99. The sunglasses themselves were $13.99. So after I got most of my information on eBay as well as the product here in Zeek Analytics, I actually went and searched for some keywords. So the first keyword I searched was rimless sunglasses. I wanted to see what the statistics were on this niche. So you can see that 227 items were sold in the last 30 days, and the successful listings is at 61%. So when we scroll down to the product list, I found that this dropshipper is #1 on this list under this niche, rimless sunglasses. He managed to sell more than the Chinese. After I searched this product under the keywords rimless sunglasses, I went and searched for luxury sunglasses as well to see where he ranked. So here are the statistics under the searched keywords luxury sunglasses. I went and scrolled down to the product list and there he was again, #1 under 2 keywords. The only explanation I have for this dropshipper being #1 on 2 keyword searches is the fact that he has a great title. So after I gathered all of this information, I went into AliExpress and I actually found the product. Here you can see that the product is selling for $6.31, and it doesn't matter again what color, and the shipping is free. So now that we have all the eBay information that we need, the numbers in Zeek Analytics for the keywords, and we actually found the product on AliExpress, it's time to do some profit and conclusion. So here in the profit and conclusion part of this video, we have our eBay product at the top. New oversized rimless luxury sunglasses, gradient lens, vintage women's fashion 2019. And the eBay price for this product is $13.99. The total lifetime sales of this product is 113 times, and the last 30-day sales is 44. The product niche, I put rimless sunglasses or luxury sunglasses. They both ranked pretty high in the search results. And then below we have our AliExpress product. 2019 new irregular rimless sunglasses, woman, brand designer, alloy frame, oversized graded sunglasses, fashion, female, clear shades. And the price for this product on AliExpress is $6.31. We did see that they offer free shipping, so our total cost comes to $6.31. So let's say we were to take the AliExpress item and sell it for $12.50 on eBay, which is cheaper than the competition, but it's not putting the price too much lower. Minus 14% of eBay and PayPal fees, minus 30 cents, which also fall under the eBay and PayPal fees, and minus our AliExpress purchase price, which is $6.31, we get a profit of $4.14. Having a great title will do wonders for your product. As a dropshipper, we aim to get to the top of the list on eBay. And the only way we can do that is when you have a product that you want to sell but no idea of what title will actually bring traffic to your item, the best thing to do is research a few similar products to see what their titles are and how many sales they have with that title. And you can also piece together some of the AliExpress keywords in the title and use some of those to get the traffic that you need. That wraps up this video. I hope it was useful and I hope you liked it. And if you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to see more videos like these. Have a good one, guys. See you next time.